Hello and welcome you all. Today we will do second application of pair of linear equations in two variable which is based on fraction. So our first question for today is a fraction is such that if the numerator is multiplied by 3 and the denominator is reduced by 3, we get 18 upon 11. But if the numerator is increased by 8 and denominator is doubled, we get 2 upon 5. So we have to find the fraction. Student, let us say I have taken a fraction in the form of x upon y. Here x is numerator and y is denominator. So according to our question, if numerator is multiplied by 3, so our numerator is x, and when it is multiplied by 3, it becomes 3x. And then the denominator is reduced by 3. So our denominator is y. And when y is reduced by 3, so y minus 3. We get what? We get 18 upon 11. And so from here, we can cancel out 18 by 3, 3 6 are 18. So on cross multiply, we get 11x is equal to 6y minus 18. And now, as the question says that if the numerator is increased by 8, so our numerator is x, so it becomes x plus 8, and then denominator is doubled, so denominator is y, and it is doubled, so it becomes 2y, and this is equal to 2 upon 5. Now on cross multiply, we get 5x plus 40 equal to 4y. So to solve this pair of linear equation, we have three methods: elimination method, cross multiplication method, and substitution method. And it is your choice, student, to which method you have to follow. Generally, student find substitution and elimination method easier and cross multiplication method a bit difficult. So I am solving this question by cross multiplication method, so that again you get to know the basic of this method. So our first step is to make the pair of linear equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So our first linear equation is 11x minus 6y plus 18 equal to 0, and 5x minus 4y plus 40 is equal to 0. Now in cross multiplication method, as you all know, that first we will multiply from upward to downward. So x upon, and we will hide x variable completely. So x upon minus 6 into 40 and minus, and we will put bracket minus 4 into 18, which is equal to y upon, and here we will multiply downward to upward, y hiding y variable from both the pair of linear equation. So we get y upon 5 into plus 18 and then minus, again put bracket 11 into 40, which is equal to 1 upon, now we will hide constant term, so multiply again from upward to downward, so 11 into minus 4 minus again bracket 5 into minus 6. Now on solving it, we get x upon minus 6 into 40 minus 240 and minus 4 into 18 minus 72, so minus into minus become plus 72. So on solving it, we get x upon minus 168, and this is equal to y upon 18 into 5 90 minus 11 into 40 440. So 90 minus 440 is minus 350. So y upon minus 350, and this is equal to 1 upon 11 into minus 4 minus 44, and minus into minus 30, which is plus 30. So minus 44 plus 30 is minus 14. So from here, now we will equate x upon minus 168 with 1 upon minus 14, and y upon minus 350 with 1 upon minus 14. So on cross multiply, negative negative will cancel out, and 168 upon 14 is 12. So x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 350 upon 14. Now from here we get y is equal to 25. Now student, based on this application, you have to practice this question and share me the solution. Question is, the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than thrice the numerator. When both the numerator and denominator are increased by 6, then the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Determine the fraction.